Here's how I style my blonde clip-in hair extensions and how I make these extensions curly. These are straight clip-in hair extensions I got on Amazon, and they have a previous wave because I previously curled them. I use this really thin chopstick styler to get the curl. To get tighter curls, just grab smaller pieces of the hair. If you're curling the clip-in extensions for the first time, you don't want to do this while the clip-ins are attached to your hair. You want to hang the clip-ins and then curl them because you want to get to the top of the clip-ins so you can have curls near the root of your hair when you place them on. I like messy curls, Shakira crazy hair, so I don't worry too much about getting tight curls. And if you want more hair, of course, add more clip-in extensions. I throw on a scarf, and this is a hairstyle that I will be rocking all summer because it's low maintenance. This is what the final look looks like. If you're not ready to commit to curly clip-ins or curly tape-in extensions, get these and get the curler and you're out the door. It looks so cute. I love it. And if you want tighter curls, just curl it some more.